Hi guys, I'm back to do an Ugg unboxing. I recently just received my Uggs in the mail from Zappos.com. I ordered them on June 5th and I received them on the 10th of June. So that was pretty fast shipping. It took about 5 days, and Zappos is based in Kentucky and I live in New York. So that was pretty good, and shipping was free. They have free shipping on all orders. So if you were looking to buy Uggs or any particular product on Zappos.com, it'll be free. And moving right along, as you can see from the title, I ordered a pair of pink Bailey Bow Uggs, and here is the box. Everybody knows what an Ugg box looks like. Now when you open it, you see your two Ugg care cards. One is showing that your Uggs are authentic, and to see if they're real or not, with a little secure label or like thing. When you look in the Ugg box, this is what you see: the little divider, the tissue paper, and then the Uggs right here. They're pink Bailey bows and they're super cute like that, and it has like the little Ugg right there, if you can see that. And I really like them. They're super cute. They're kind of hard to match with, but you know what, who cares. And little space dividers. These are a size 8. They do not come in half sizes, so I suggest you go a size down. Now normally I'm a size 9 in Uggs, but they only had 8 on the website, and when I put them on, they fit perfectly. I'm gonna start getting the size 8 in the Uggs. So yeah, the price was $144.50, and originally they're $205, so that's why I got them. It was very cheap and discounted. That's why I got them. And I guess that's it. My thoughts on Uggs: they're comfortable, you should get them. They're quite expensive, but they're definitely worth the money. I don't think I have anything else to say. If you guys want any more videos, please leave them down below. If you want to see like an Ugg collection, I will do that when I get more Uggs, because I only have 4 pair of Uggs. I don't think that's like a lot to do a collection, so just let me know what you guys want me to do. Please rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys, and follow me on Instagram at simplybeautifulme123. It's pretty self-explanatory. Bye.